Hello everyone, this time we will learn about mean, which is average. But before we learn about the average, it would be better if we know about the data and statistic, right? Okay, so there are three main points about data that we need to know. The first point is definition, the second is why data is important, and the last point is data functions. Data is any information in row or organized from using alphabets, numbers, or symbols that refers to or represents preferences, ideas, objects, traits, categories, and others. Why data is so important? Because data will help you explain. You can be confident that you develop your approach based not upon guesses, but good solid data. Next question maybe, what is the function of data in statistic, right? Maybe you are wondering about it? Okay, so data are individual pieces of factual information recorded and used for the purpose of analysis. Wow, are you kidding me? It's essential. Yay, finally we go into the definition of mean. What is mean definition? The mean is the average or calculated central value of a set of numbers and is used to measure the central tendency of the data. Well, the mean is related to data, right? In statistics, the mean can also be defined as the sum of all observations to the total number of observations. Here we go. We can see there are differences of ungrouped data and grouped data. Take a look. Ungrouped data is the data you first gather from an experiment or study. The data is raw, that is, it's not sorted into categories, classified, or otherwise grouped. So, an ungrouped set of data is basically a list of numbers. Only that. And grouped data is the opposite of ungrouped data. And next, the discussion of formulas and examples of mean will be explained by another friend of mine.
Hello guys, this is me, Mutia Mutmainnah, with my student ID number 1212050116, will be accompanying you to understanding about the mean formula for ungrouped data in statistics. So, let's say you have a bunch of data, and you are somehow trying to represent this with one number. What is the formula that we can use? The answer is we can use the average formula or mean formula. The formula to find the mean of an ungrouped data is given below. Suppose x1, x2, x3, x4 until xn be an observations of a data set, then the mean of these values is x bar is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 until xn is divided by the n, where the n is the total number of observation of given data. And guys, if you find the formula like this, don't panic because this is the same formula of mean. And we can read as x bar is equal to sigma x divided by n, where x bar is the symbol of the mean and sigma x is the sum of observation and n is the total number of observation. Okay guys, maybe that's all from me, and the next topic will be delivered by my friend. His name is An-Najib.
Hello everyone, I am Habib Mustofa An-Najib with student ID number 1212 or 50097. Here, I wanna give you some exercises and then we discuss about the answer. The first question. Count the mean of the following data x where x is less than 10 with x is prime number. Let's answer the question. From the question we can see that the x is prime number which less than 10. So we know the x is 2, 3, 5, 7 and 9. There are 5 data of x, so the n is 5. The question tells us to find the x bar. We have known the formula of x bar is sigma xi divided by n. So we have to find the value of xi first. Xi is the sum of x, so xi is 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 and plus 9 equals 26. And then we can know x bar is 26 divided by 5. So the x bar is equal to 5.2. And then let's move to the second question. There are 5 students who take the makeup exam with the scores in the following data 75, 90, 81, 94, 85. Count the mean. From the question, we have to find the x bar, also like the first question. From the question, we can see that there are 5 students, so the n is 5. The scores of 5 students are as xi. So we have to find the value of xi first. How to find the value of xi? Like in the first question, which xi is sum of the x. So xi is 75 plus 90 plus 81 plus 94 and plus 85. Xi is equal to 425. And then we can find the x. Like the first question, x is xi divided by n. So x is 425 divided by 5. So the x bar equals 85. I think that's enough with these exercises. I hope you can understand the mean of ungrouped data instead.